tour bus. About to take a tour of Miami, and later we're riding on the boat.
Boat. I gotta see TJ Khaled. I gotta see her sound. Yo, Mr. Diddy. Yes, Mr. Diddy. We coming to see you.
We're getting off the bus to go check in right quick, and then we'll get back on. Babe's too tall.
We're gonna take it straight into red office, red blue.
Okay, listen. The two main activities that we are going to have the park. The first, this is an airboat ride. The second, Gator Show. When we first go to the airboat ride, when we return, we go to the show.
On the, what is it called?
Everglades ride.
Everglades ride.
Alligator
first.
ride.
Alligator ride. Where we going, right here or up there?
Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Good? Good. Awesome. You guys are gonna go to him. Right there, yeah. Running problem, be on
Teacher. Teacher.
It's too hot.
She don't know yet.
We have to put the earplugs in. It's gonna be too loud.
So you did it, right? Roll it down.
Like that? Oh.
Really slow.
Like this?
Yeah, roll it down the whole thing.
I like this teacher me how to put this in my ear.
Roll it all the way down, and then you stick it in, and it's gonna open back up once you put it in there.
Okay.
Alright guys, how's everybody doing? Alright, my name is Roger. I'm going to be your tour guide for the next 35 or 40 minutes. Now before we get started, everybody has earplugs, right? Yeah. Best keep your trash off the floor of the boat, out of the water. Plenty of garbage cans here when we get back. And my third rule, everyone has to have a good time. Alright?
By the way, his tongue. And why he's not jumping on me really is because he's not a crocodile. That's why he's not jumping on me. If this was a crocodile, I would be up there. You know, do the alligator's blind spot here, blind spot, blind spot. Like a crocodile, caiman, alligator, all the same. When they close their mouth, it's the bottom jaw that moves. Watch. Ooh. Oh my God. Applause for the alligator.
The whiskers off its face?
Isn't it like sense of like smell or something?
No, that's how they feel. So if they cut the whiskers off.
Now we're about to head back and finish the rest of the tours. Oh, snake.
Let's go hunt. I'm gonna come back and hunt. If I get the chicken.
Where? Oh, it's just walking around.
Nelson, if you ever watch this video, Nelson, I still remember your chicken, and I'm still afraid of him.
We're finally on the Miami tour now. We just got back from Everglades.
say boat. Just got the bus.
Finally.
That thing was traffic in Miami. I'm telling you, you move to Miami, get a bike. It's something like that. It ain't gonna work. But we about to get on the boat right now. You know, chill out. About to go see DJ Khaled. Have a quick soft talk, cloth talk with him real quick. See the side. And you know what I mean? Like see Diddy right quick. Tell him about his new flavor, kiwi strawberry Ciroc. He ain't come out yet, but I got him. I'm about to go talk to him right now. Cloth talk real quick. What's the food? You want them? Oh, upstairs. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That booty right there, though.
And we are on the boat.
Big white round building. This is the American Airlines Arena, also known as the home to our champions, the Miami Heat. A la izquierda vamos a ver un edificio redondo color blanco. Ese es el American Airlines Arena. También conocido.
Hey guys, good morning. So today we're going to Key West to go snorkeling and do other fun things. Yesterday we were really exhausted from the other 3 tours, but we're ready to take today. We're on the bus.
Ask her why she got this big towel on. I was about to say that.
It's freezing over here. It's so cold.
So we're gonna let y'all know when we get there. Y'all gonna keep getting the keys, cause DJ Khaled said. DJ Khaled said.
I'll look in my eyes.
Cause DJ Khaled said.
Getting off the bus to go eat some breakfast.
Yes, please.
Babe, I was knocked out. This was like the best sleep ever. Where is she?
I'm not sure. So right now we're trying to find the lady so we can go snorkeling. Do you like any of this stuff?
Hola.
Gang, gang.
We are currently waiting for the boat to come pick us up. You got glitter on your mouth.
Listening to the jams. West Point, South Beach, Southwest Point, West Point, South Keys, West Keys.
I just can't stop looking at that.
We're about to take this snorkeling adventure on our way towards it now. bit. I don't know what that was from. But
Something really stung.
something was going ham. I ain't feel it when I was out there.
And I got stung right here too, but
Let me see.
I don't
Let
have
me see.
no.
Let me
I'm
see.
not
Let me see.
bleeding
Let me
like
see.
you.
Is
I
that
really
where?
did get stung.
Yeah,
You didn't believe me. Let's go parasailing. I'm so excited.
I wonder if you can hear us. I'm about to find out if you guys can hear us.
Probably not, but we'll play music over
We'll play music. Y'all just hearing us talking. We're just talking. We're gonna put subtitles at the bottom right now. I'm like, so y'all can't hear us right now. So thank you guys for watching. Y'all can't hear us right now, but we are about to go parasailing.
보이는 현실을 밝게 비춰줬으면 해 어둠 가득 메운